There's so much more to life at Crystal Rivers Residences. Just 20 minutes from Westlands using the Nairobi Expressway. Crystal Rivers Residences offers a bouquet of 3-bedroom apartments, which come with an array of amenities such as ample parking area per unit, a swimming pool, spacious lounge area, a dining zone that opens up to the kitchen space, inbuilt wardrobes in the 3 bedrooms, including a spacious master bedroom that is ensuite with a walk-in shower and restroom, well-manicured gardens, and a mall and school that cater for all your shopping, leisure, and children's educational needs. With our special, easy, and flexible payment rates, you can be sure to own a special piece of Crystal Rivers and call it home. For more details, call us on 0758 503 015. Crystal Rivers, the future of fine living.